Hi, I'm Dave Pekol, Director of Infrastructure Applications at Ergon. I've been with the company for 8 years now, and my responsibilities are managing administrators for some of our large enterprise applications. I also have responsibilities in governance, risk, and compliance, which includes internal audit and how we measure IT, as well as some cybersecurity disaster recovery functions.
Why did Ergon originally choose Security Weaver for SAP Access Governance?
20 years ago, when I first started looking at Security Weaver, we were looking for a suite of tools to help us with our SAP implementation and generally make life easier on our basis team. And Security Weaver at the time was at the right price point, and then through several different iterations and different products, we discovered that the implementations were great and the support after the fact was fantastic.
How did Ergon handle role and user recertification before Security Weaver?
It was a manual effort. So when I first arrived at Ergon, I started working with the internal audit team to help them understand how IT functions work. And we didn't really have a process at the time for role recertification. Previous companies we had used your products before, and this was an opportunity to bring this product into Ergon to help us with that problem.
Looking back, what was the deployment timeline and experience like when rolling out Pathlock Native, formerly known as Security Weaver?
Well, experience was great. So generally speaking, it was about 6 weeks per module. And the teams during that time did a great job in supporting us, taking care of us, and keeping us on schedule with the project.
As a longtime Pathlock customer, how has your experience been with support and customer success when issues come up?
I'll tell you, the team has been very responsive. So when something does happen and we get on the phone, the team is very responsive, and the solution is usually provided within a few hours.
What led Ergon to adopt Pathlock Cloud as part of the S/4HANA migration?
Well, there was a lot more that we wanted out of this implementation of S4. Number one, we wanted to improve the business processes for the entire company and be on a modern platform and support the company with modern tools. And with Pathlock Cloud, we have the possibility of being able to provision to other applications, and along with the other suite of tools that we're very familiar with, it just seemed like the right fit.
How has Pathlock helped Ergon adapt to growth and acquisitions from an IT perspective?
When we acquire a company, we like to bring them into the fold eventually. And our Pathlock tools that we have today is pretty seamless in adding users to that and the organizational structures and new companies into that process. So the different suite of tools that we have and we use today make that very simple for us.
How are recertifying roles through user access review campaigns helping you meet upcoming audit requirements?
Well, I'll tell you, in previous years, we weren't able to really provide good information back on that specific thing. So with role recertification, we're now able to organize our roles, send them out to the business owners of those roles, and have them sign off on that for the users we've assigned them to.